The Ultimate Guide to Selling Your Home Part 3 Staging. You might be asking yourself, why should I bother staging my home? It helps your home sell faster. It is a fact that staged homes typically sell faster than non-staged homes. When buyers can envision themselves in the space and get a visual of what the space looks like, they tend to act faster. When your property is staged, you tend to get better offers because it looks better. The presentation is much better. It looks well cared for, and it's going to get higher bids from buyers. Just look at what builders do to get their properties sold. They have a model home. The model home is staged. It makes a stellar first impression. First impressions are everything. Buyers normally start their search online, even if they are working with a real estate agent and the real estate agent is sending them listings. They are also looking on Zillow and Realtor.com because they just can't help themselves. When that information is available, that's where they're looking. So homes that are staged in photos just look better online, and it connects with the buyer on an emotional level. It gets them to feel things for the space. They get emotionally attached to it. It gets them excited about the property, gets them feeling the property like they could live there, and therefore they want to make an offer on it. So here is Homestaging 101, the golden rules. The first thing you want to do is deep clean your property like nobody else's business. Either you can do this yourself or you can hire somebody to do it for you. Buyers notice everything. When you're walking into a property, buyers are going to look at some weird stuff. They're going to open the drawers. They're going to check behind things. Buyers notice everything. So a spotless and clean home creates a great first impression. It makes your home look well cared for. So make sure that you make regular deep cleaning a priority when you are selling your property, whether that is having a housekeeper come once a week or you're just going to keep up on it, but it's got to be clean. The second thing is you've got to declutter, right? We've got to get rid of all the personal stuff. We've got to neutralize the space, and we've got to get rid of religious, political, and personal photos. So we really want to cut down on that clutter. You want to put it away, put it in a little keep safe box, put it in a storage unit, put it in a drawer. You want buyers to be able to envision this space, and they want to be able to see themselves living in there. They cannot imagine seeing themselves living in there if they see a wall full of your family's photos, or they see pictures of Jesus everywhere, or they have crosses everywhere, right? It's just best to get rid of personal items. It's best to get rid of religious items, and it's best to get rid of political items. The third thing is furniture placement. You want to declutter your furniture space. You want to get rid of big, bulky furniture items. You want to be able to easily walk through your living room, walk through your bedroom, walk through the hallway, walk through the TV area. You don't want to have a lot of furniture in the property. So either donate it, have a yard sale, or put it in a storage unit. And then you want to also dress it up. We want to stylize it. We want to add some accessories. You don't want to go overboard with knickknacks, but adding some cute little accessories here and there is very helpful. I love accent pillows. I also love little accent fur throws. It makes anything look more luxurious. I love throwing a little fur throw over chairs at the kitchen table or over a bed or over a couch, or even sometimes doing it outside when it's by a fire pit. I've loved me a good little fur throw because we are in Park City. It is luxurious. It is a ski town. We love the fur throws here. Also, little pops of color with plants, and I also love a good pampa grass. I think one of the most important staging tips is the paint. Choosing the paint color. Go as neutral as possible. Please do not paint your house the color of the year. If you're going to live in the house and you're going to live there for a long time, paint it for personal. But if you're getting ready to sell it, I don't think going big, bold is the way to go. I think keeping it really neutral. Beige, grays, whites. And also the color of the paint when you are marketing the property, what I find is white always looks better in photos. You want things to look light, bright, and airy in photos. It also neutralizes a space. Buyers walk in, there's lots of light. Buyers love natural light. They hate dark spaces. If you're painting a room a really moody, dark color, it can be great as an accent wall, but don't go overboard. If you plan on painting your whole room violet, it's not going to look that good on photos, if I'm being completely honest with you. And there's starting to be warmer tones that are starting to come in. More organic stuff is starting to come in. There's definitely a shift from the all white kitchen to more earthy tones, to more like livable, comfortable spaces. But I'm telling you right now, warm tones do not look good in photos. If you got orange cabinets, if you have things that are that oak, that 90s oak, it turns out yellow and orange in photos. White always pops. It always looks better in photos. It makes the space look bigger. Just to be safe, you want to go with a neutral palette. Also, the lighting matters. Having good lighting. Moody lighting is in, but when you're selling your house, you want people to feel like they can see. And sometimes if the lighting is too moody, you can't really see the house and you feel like it's dark and you feel like it's smaller. So you definitely want bright lights. You want it to feel light, bright, and airy. So what are the best paint colors to paint your home? The first one is White Dove by Benjamin Moore. The second one is Chantley Lace by Benjamin Moore. The third one is Alablaster by Sherwin Williams. And the fourth one is Paper White by Benjamin Moore. Those are for whites and neutrals. Then there's grays, cool grays. You want to do grays or cool grays or unique neutrals. If you are curious about what your home is worth in today's market, then definitely check out my free home evaluation. All you have to do is type in your address and you will instantly get to your inbox what the equity of your home, what buyers are actually looking at, and the recent comparable sales in your neighborhood. Hey, my name is Nicole Battle. I'm a local real estate agent here in Park City, Utah, and I've lived here for 38 years. If you wish to contact me, my information is always dropped down in the description link down below.